Here we have one of my favorite pieces, the Wilson Combat SFX 9. It was the earlier version of what they renamed into the EDC series, I believe. It's basically the same design, same size. I think it looks the same as EDC 9. So let's take it apart. It's a 1911 style. We're going to make sure the mag is empty, make sure the barrel's empty, do it twice for good luck, and then you can fire the trigger. All right, it's a 1911 style, so you see the takedown lever. So we're going to flip it over, ease the slide back until you can feel that magic spot where the takedown lever will push right out. You shouldn't need a tool, but you might need one if it's brand new. And you can ease the slide forward. One big lower piece of steel, and on the top we can take out that recoil spring and rod. Easy to clean. And then we'll ease out the recoil spring plug and the barrel. Pin slides forward and the barrel slides right out the front. And that's all we got to do for cleaning. Please continue to like and share if this helped you at all.